Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows 11's screen dimming issue, then please watch this video. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select display in the right pane. Now you'll see brightness here. Click on the downward pointing arrow associated with it. So there's something which says change brightness based on content, just turn it off. Okay, don't check for other options because they can be confusing. Just turn it off. Now this is called adaptive brightness, and you have turned off adaptive brightness, which means that your computer will not dim depending upon the app that you're using or the situation of the light outside. It will only turn dim if you manually change the slider here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.